To work with my CAD files, I can open up my file in my CAD software where I can create it. Here I have an AutoCAD drawing. I have my house drawing, and this drawing is also referencing several other files for drawings of appliances, doors and windows, electrical, floor plan, lighting, and power. I have my model sheet and my drawing sheet. Here I have some text strings and general notes, and I also have my title block where I have assigned some attributes for project name, open domain, and drawn by, checked by, and the scale. To manage my files from my CAD software, I have this Vistapoint tab where I can activate, check out, check in, import, insert a block, insert an image, prepare a component, or insert an XREF. I'm going to import into Vistapoint. So I'll click import. This will ask if I want to automatically create a PDF. I can select the sheet and I can click OK. Then it will analyze the house file, analyze all the references, and import all those files as well. It also extracts the attributes, and from the attributes I can map those to index fields, which I can then use to search for my documents. Here it shows my main drawing, my house, and all the references that it found. Here's some document information, a small preview. I can adjust where the file is being imported to. If I want to click on Archive Folder, I can select a different folder location or record location. Click OK. And then click Archive. I can add a version comment. Then it will import all my files and my PDF into Vistapoint, which I can then preview. I can also pull this out. And I can move this around as well. If I want to work on my file, click on my file, click Edit, click Check Out. My file will open up in AutoCAD or my CAD software. You can see now that my file is shown up in green. Means I have it checked out. For others, it would show up in red, meaning they can't work on it. I can make my change. I can edit an attribute that I have defined in my title block. You can see that my attribute is now changed. When I'm done with my change, I can check it back in. It will ask if I want to create another PDF. I'll click OK. I can confirm to check it in. You can add a version comment. Click OK. This will ask if I want to delete all the files in the working folder. So when you check it out from Vistapoint, it goes to your local drive where you can then work on it. And you can manage all your files locally. And then when you're done, it will clean it up by confirming yes. Then we'll delete all the files in this folder and import them all back into Vistapoint. You can see there's now 2 versions of my PDF. I can preview that. And I can see that my change is now reflected in the new version. If I want to look at my attributes from Vistapoint, I can click on my file, go to CAD Properties. Here I can select Attributes, and here you can see here are some of the attributes that I pulled from the file, the project test that we defined in the title block, and I can map those to index fields. For example, project test, and I can also map created by, and I can also add a couple more index fields and tags to organize my files. I can look at previous versions in CAD Properties, or I can here in Document. Here I have my references. I can go to Versions tab, and here I can see I have my previous version and now my newest version, change project to project test.